What are the opportunities for innovation? So just from what we've seen, you know, we need companies to develop processes that have higher yield. And what I mean by that is right now, getting all the CBD molecule out of the hemp plant or getting other cannabinoids out of the hemp plant, that's something that's a limiting factor right now with current technologies. Also technologies that can utilize lower grade feedstocks. So right now there's basically two sorts of varieties of hemp that are grown and available to extractors. You have one from seed and then you have one from clone, which produces a very high CBD percentage usually, and that's what the technologies right now are using, but how can we really utilize industrial hemp, which is grown on thousands of acres? That's something that's very important to understand. Of course, you have automation, and this is only going to come when we have those systems engineering companies getting involved in this industry, coming to us and talking about how to do automation, how to do control of your plants. Of course, you have genetics, and we really need those folks to come in and understand how do you have production of hemp plants with unique contents of cannabinoids and terpenes, which is going to allow for differentiated products in the industry. Of course, development of safe equipment. This is something that's super important and we see becoming more important every day. This industry really started with people operating out of unsafe facilities, and now we're seeing a move in towards audited facilities, rated facilities, which is very good. And then, of course, as we talked about on the panel here, uses of the hemp plant in pellets, in fibers, and in other textiles.